हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद आ रहा है तो फिर लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकन टू गेट लेटेस्ट अपडेट। आज मैं आपके लिए करंट सिचुएशन को देखते हुए कुछ करंट अफेयर्स लेके आई हूँ। तो फिर लेट्स स्टार्ट। January 31st, 2020. India's Economic Survey 2019-2020 was tabled in the Parliament by the Chief Economic Advisor Krishnamurthy S. Subramanian, followed by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman on January 31st, 2020. February 1st, 2020. Union Budget 2020-2021 was presented in Parliament on February 1st, 2020 by the Union Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. It centers around three ideas. First, aspirational India. Second, economic development. Third, a caring society. February 26, 2020. Indian Railways has launched its first restaurant on wheels named as Wow Bhojana at Asansol Station in West Bengal for railway passengers and citizens of the city. February 28, 2020. President Ramnath Kovind gave his nod for resuming delimitation exercise in Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur and Nagaland. February 28, 2020. Indian Coast Guard commissioned ICGS Bharat. Union Minister of State for Shipping Mansukh L. Mandavia has commissioned a new offshore patrol vessel ICGS Bharat for the Indian Coast Guard in Chennai on February 28, 2020. February 29, 2020. PM Narendra Modi laid the foundation stone of Bundelkhand Expressway in Chitrakoot. February 29, 2020. Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla has launched Suposhit Ma Abhijan in his constituency Kota, Rajasthan on February 29, 2020. The Abhijan aimed at providing nutritional support to pregnant women and adolescent girls. March 4, 2020. Chandrayaan-3 would be scheduled for a launch in the first half of 2021. March 11, 2020. Minor changes in Constitution Order Amendment Bill. March 12, 2020. For the first time in India, the Department of Posts, Kolkata has launched free digital parcel locker service on March 12, 2020. March 14, 2020. Government proposed masks and hand sanitizers under Essential Commodities Act 1955. March 16, 2020. Permanent Commission for Women in Indian Navy. March 19, 2020. Transformational Tech for Tribes. March 20, 2020. Draft Defense Procurement Procedure. This date is linked with Draft Defense Procurement Procedure. March 22, 2020. Indian Oil Corporation has become the first company to begin the supply of VSVI fuel in India on March 22, 2020. March 23, 2020. Lok Sabha passed the Finance Bill 2020 by voice. March 25, 2020. द नेशनल बुक ट्रस्ट, जो कि NBT नाम पे जाना जाता है, ऑफ ह्यूमन रिसोर्स डेवलपमेंट मिनिस्ट्री लॉन्चेस स्टे होम इंडिया विथ बुक्स इनिशिएटिव टू एनकरेज पीपल टू रीड बुक्स व्हाइल एट होम ऑन March 25, 2020. March 26, 2020. Announcement of relief package for 4. March 27 to 2020. Operation Namaste launched. March 28, 2020. PM CARES Fund formulated. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has created Assistance and Emergency Situation Relief Fund, namely Prime Minister Citizen Assistance and Relief in Emergency Situation Fund on March 28, 2020. March 31, 2020. Stranded in India portal launched. April 2, 2020. Government launched Arogya Setu app. April 7, 2020. RBI relaxed the norms of state to avail overdraft. April 10, 2020. Bharat Padhe online campaign. Union HRD Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal launched a week-long Bharat Padhe online campaign in New Delhi on April 10, 2020. The campaign aims to invite all the best brains in India to share suggestions or solutions directly with the HRD Minister. April 12, 2020. HRD Minister launched Yukti. Union HRD Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal has launched a web portal Yukti. Yukti का full form है Young India Combating COVID with Knowledge, Technology and Innovation in New Delhi on April 12, 2020. युक्ति का फुल फॉर्म है यंग इंडिया कॉम्बैटिंग कोविड विथ नॉलेज टेक्नोलॉजी एंड इनोवेशन. April 14, 2020. US approved sale of Harpoon missile and torpedoes. April 17, 2020. Kisan Rath mobile app launched. The Union Minister of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Sri Narendra Singh Tomar on April 17, 2020 launched Kisan Rath mobile app to facilitate transportation of food grains and perishables during lockdown. April 23, 2020. India's first mobile testing lab for COVID-19 test launched. April 23, 2020. Approval for promulgation of an ordinance to amend the epidemic disease. May 1, 2020. Manipur black rice and Gorakhpur terracotta gets GI tag. May 5, 2020. Surakshit Dada Dadi and Nana Nani Abhijan started or launched. May 5, 2020. Operation Samudra Setu. Operation Samudra Setu has been launched by the Indian Navy as a part of a national effort to repatriate Indian citizens from overseas on May 5, 2020. May 7, 2020. COVID-19 test was launched. The Indian Institute of Technology Alumni Council launched a COVID-19 test bus in Mumbai, Maharashtra on May 7, 2020. The COVID-19 testing bus will reduce 80% of the testing cost without compromising on the testing capacity. May 22, 2020. Aerial survey of cyclone Amphan by PM Narendra Modi. June 21, 2020. Leh to host International Yoga Day event. Thank you.